Welcome to our channel. If you're diving into PC building in 2024 and need the perfect graphics card to match your setup, you come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 graphics cards for PC building this year. We'll explore their design, features, and what makes each one stand out. Whether you're gaming, designing, or just looking to upgrade your rig, we've got you covered. Let's jump into the best graphics cards you can get your hands on this year. Number 1. Asus Dual RTX 3060 V2 OC 12GB GDDR6 graphics card. The Asus Dual RTX 3060 V2 OC 12GB GDDR6 graphics card offers a perfect blend of performance and value for gamers and PC builders. With its sleek dual-fan design, this card features advanced axial tech fan technology that ensures optimal cooling and minimal noise, allowing you to push your gaming to the next level without overheating. The 12GB GDDR6 memory provides ample capacity for handling demanding games and multitasking with ease. Designed with durability in mind, the Asus Dual RTX 3060 V2 comes with a reinforced backplate that adds structural integrity and a premium look. Its compact form factor fits comfortably in most PC cases, making it an excellent choice for builds of all sizes. The card supports NVIDIA's latest technologies, including real-time ray tracing and DLSS, enhancing graphics quality and performance. With a boost clock of up to 1807 MHz, it delivers smooth gameplay and responsive performance across a wide range of applications. For a reliable, high-performance graphics card that balances power and efficiency, the Asus Dual RTX 3060 V2 OC is a top contender in 2024. Number 2. Radeon RX 588GB graphics card. Dual fan PCIe 3.0. The Radeon RX 588GB graphics card stands out as a solid choice for gamers seeking performance on a budget. Featuring a dual fan cooling system, this card efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance during extended gaming sessions. The 8GB GDDR5 memory provides ample capacity for running modern games and handling multitasking with ease, making it a versatile option for both casual and dedicated gamers. Its PCIe 3.0 interface ensures fast data transfer rates, while the card's robust build quality and cooling design enhance durability and longevity. With support for AMD's FreeSync technology, the RX 580 delivers smooth, tear-free gaming experiences by synchronizing the display's refresh rate with the GPU's output. The card's dual-fan setup not only improves cooling efficiency but also reduces noise levels, contributing to a quieter gaming environment. The Radeon RX 588GB is an excellent choice for those looking to build or upgrade a gaming rig without breaking the bank, offering a compelling balance of performance, features, and affordability in 2024. Number 3. XFX Speedster QIC319 RX 6750 XT 12GB GDDR6 Gaming GPU. The XFX Speedster QIC319 RX 6750 XT 12GB GDDR6 Gaming GPU is engineered to deliver top-notch gaming performance and efficiency. This graphics card boasts a substantial 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample capacity for handling demanding games and applications with ease. The advanced 7nm RDNA 2 architecture enhances both graphical fidelity and power efficiency, making it a robust choice for high-resolution gaming and multitasking. Designed with a triple-fan cooling system, the QIC319 effectively manages heat, ensuring optimal performance and stability even during intense gaming sessions. The innovative cooling design not only improves airflow but also minimizes noise, creating a quieter gaming environment. With support for DirectX 12 Ultimate and AMD's Fidelity X Super Resolution, this GPU offers superior visual quality and performance enhancements, providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience. The XFX Speedster QIC319 RX 6750 XT combines durability with high-performance features, including reinforced metal backplates and a sturdy build that ensures long-term reliability. Whether you're a serious gamer or a content creator, this GPU is designed to meet the demands of modern gaming and professional applications, making it a top choice for your PC build in 2024. Number 4. MSI Jfor RTX 3060 12GB, GDR6 twin-fan graphics card. The MSI Jfor RTX 3060 12GB, GDR6 twin-fan graphics card is designed for gamers who seek a blend of performance and value. Equipped with MSI's TUF RTX Fan 3.0 technology, this card provides efficient cooling with minimal noise. The 12 GB of GDDR6 memory ensures that it can handle modern games and content creation tasks with ease. The card supports NVIDIA's DLSS and real-time ray tracing, offering enhanced visual fidelity and performance. Its design includes a reinforced backplate that adds durability and a premium appearance. The cooling system is engineered for optimal airflow, which helps maintain low temperatures and stable performance. Whether you're gaming or working on creative projects, the MSI Jfor RTX 3060 delivers impressive performance and reliability. For those looking for a well-rounded DPU that performs well across various applications, this card is a top contender. Number 5. Asus TUF RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition 16GB, GDR6X GPU. The Asus TUF RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition is a high-end graphics card tailored for enthusiasts and professionals. With a generous 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, it offers exceptional performance for 4K gaming and demanding tasks. The card features a triple-fan cooling system that provides superior thermal management, ensuring that it remains cool and efficient under heavy loads. The TUF RTX 4070 Ti is built with durability in mind, featuring a reinforced backplate and high-quality components that enhance its longevity. Its advanced cooling technology includes a large heatsink and multiple heat pipes, which contribute to its ability to handle high-performance workloads. The card supports the latest NVIDIA features, including DLSS 3.0 and advanced ray tracing, delivering cutting-edge performance and visual quality. For those seeking top-tier performance and reliability in their gaming or professional PC builds, the Asus TUF RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition is an exceptional choice. Number 6. XFX RX 580 GTS XXX Edition 8GB, GDR5 Dual BIOS graphics card. The XFX RX 580 GTS XXX Edition is a versatile graphics card that offers a combination of performance and customization. With 8 GB of GDDR5 memory and dual BIOS functionality, this card allows users to switch between different performance profiles, providing flexibility for various gaming and computing needs. The dual-fan cooling system ensures effective airflow and noise reduction. The RX 580 GTS supports AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes the GPU's output with the monitor's refresh rate to provide a smoother gaming experience. Its robust construction and high-quality cooling solution contribute to its reliability and longevity. For gamers who need a card that delivers both performance and customization options, the XFX RX 580 GTS XXX Edition is a solid choice. Number 7. GIGABYTE RTX 4070 WINDFORCE OC 12GB, GDR6X graphics card. The GIGABYTE RTX 4070 WINDFORCE OC is a powerful graphics card designed for gamers and content creators seeking high-performance solutions. Featuring 12 GB of GDDR6X memory and a triple-fan cooling system, this card provides excellent performance and efficient cooling. The WINDFORCE technology, including a large heatsink and multiple heat pipes, ensures effective heat dissipation. The RTX 4070 WINDFORCE OC supports the latest NVIDIA technologies, such as ray tracing and DLSS 3.0, enhancing both performance and visual quality. Its durable design and high-quality components ensure reliability and longevity, making it a great choice for those looking for top-tier performance in their gaming or creative PC builds. The card's sleek design and efficient cooling make it a standout option for any high-performance setup. And there you have it, our top 7 graphics cards for PC building in 2024. Each of these GPUs brings something unique to the table, whether it's high performance, advanced features, or budget-friendly options. Choosing the right graphics card can make a significant difference in your gaming and computing experience, so consider your needs and preferences carefully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.